false matching with 0 in a list Python. This line evaluates to true in Python, because false and 0 are equal after typecasting. Is there any way to avoid this typecasting? Something like equals 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 operator for list? I know that I can handle this case with a loop by explicitly checking for value types, but I am curious if there is some short and sweet trick to do this without a loop.
First of all, there is no typecasting in Python. False equals equals 0 is true because bool is a subclass of int, and the two objects really are equal. And no, there is no equals 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 operator. You need to explicitly test for types if you don't want this to happen. This explicitly asserts that the two objects are the exact same type, disallowing for subclasses. Yes, this is a loop. But in for a list also uses a loop, only internally, and both the in containment check and any short circuit, they return true as soon as the first match is found. Note that this would disallow float equality too. 0.0 equals equals 0 is true too, but by testing for exact types you disallow that as well. The same goes for complex numbers, and decimal. Bool is just another numeric type here, albeit one limited to the numeric values 0 and 1. The better approach, going forward, is to use type hinting in your code. The type hints checker would catch issues like you using booleans where integers or numbers are expected.
If you really feel the need to do the same, you can as follows. Or as at Joan Clement suggested. However, such use case seldom arises where you need to differentiate between 0 and false, as both are falsy as far as Python is concerned. Perhaps, you need to rethink your use case.
You can use his keyword for this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.